Look what I got. The Air 2S has arrived. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we have the DJI AIR 2S to do an unboxing, and we're going to have some fun with this. So excited. This is the Fly More combo, and it comes with 2 extra batteries, whatnot. Okay, so the accessory box has all extra blades. Wow, a ton of them. Holy crap. I guess they plan on you crashing this thing. 6 A's and 6 B's. Holy crap-a-toli. That's a lot. What is this? Oh, these are the lenses. The add-on filters. 4, 8, 16, and 32. We'll have to see what that is. That should be interesting to see. It comes with extra joystick handles for the controller, and the wire for the controller from the controller itself to your cell phone. So Type-C to micro USB, Type-C to Type-C, which is what I'm going to use. And the one that comes with it is Type-C to iPhone. Then it comes a USB cable. And this is the carry bag, very similar to the one for the Mini 2. Whew. Here's the controller. It's the same as the Mini 2. Charging base for the batteries. It's a little different than the hub that came with the Mini 2. So the batteries snap on. You have the input here, and then the 3 batteries that go there. We have 1 battery. We have 2 battery. Can I make this any smaller? Can't read crap. Here's the power brick to charge the batteries and the wire. This is wrapped in plastic. We'll have to remove that so the heat, you can dissipate the heat. And what is this? Oh wow. So this little thing is a power bank adapter. So if you want to use one of your batteries as a power bank to charge devices, if your drone happens to be with you in the car, you need a power in a pinch, you can use this adapter. Allows you to charge devices with it. I guess if you needed to fly, your controller's dead, you need to charge your controller, but you have 3 batteries. 1 battery can actually charge your controller. I guess you could do that. That's pretty cool. You use your battery to charge devices. So you plug this on to your battery, and then you have 2 USB ports. Well, that's unique. Oh, it has a USB port on the brick. So that's what you could use that USB cable for, to charge your devices, which is this. Alright, so you could charge your batteries and your controller at the same time with this brick. That's neat. Wow, look at this thing. This thing is huge. So there are stickers everywhere. So this, please charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. Please charge to activate. Okay, we'll definitely charge to activate. So this is the process that you have to do. So the blades aren't installed on the drone at all. It comes as is without the blades. So you have to put them on yourself. So that's interesting. So the bag shows you what blades go where, and it looks like it's just a push snap-on. And we'll figure this out. This is going to be pretty cool. So we're going to do that. We're going to do the installation of the blades. Part of the how-to for the during of this setup. As we saw, the drone comes with no blades at all. So we need to install them. So you have B blades, and then you have A blades. So B blades go top left, bottom right. So B blade, B blade, A blade, A blade. So the A blades are the orange. You notice that the motor has an orange indicator on it. So the 2 orange indicators are the A blade, and the ones without the orange are the B blades. So that makes it very easy to do the installation. on top of the motor there is a notch. So you push and you twist. And that's simple. You make sure you don't make a mistake, because the quadcopter it's not going to go up at all. This I have to say though, this is by far the best drone technology I've ever seen. Like, why bother? Why bother getting something else? This is like perfected it 100%. And they've come such a long way in terms of technology, in terms of how to, for optical avoidance. I remember when the Phantom first came out and how many videos there were that would crash into things. It's absolutely crazy. So let's go take some pictures around the drone, and so you can enjoy it. This is an unusual unboxing and stuff, or how-to, but it's interesting. There's something I want to show you. This optical avoidance thing is unbelievable. So we have this thing in the system. I want to show you. So we have three options. Off, which obviously we don't want to do. We have bypass, and then we have brake. So brake stops. So if there's something in the way, it won't go around it. It'll go up or down or wherever it needs to go to try to follow you. So bypass is pretty sick. So I'm going to show you how this works. It's actually pretty amazing.
Take off.
So the beeping indicates what's in the way. It sees and gets out of the way. So I'm going to bring the drone over here. We're going to drop it down. We're going to spin it. Now we're in cinematic mode, just so you know. And the beeping tells you that it can actually see something in its way. So we could probably see the car and me. And watch what happens. It automatically increases height when I go forward. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. Now look how close I am. As soon as I hit forward on it, it's gonna go up. Out of the way. That's insane. Talk about intelligent. It's working its ass off. You can hear that. They say it's actually quieter. I can hear it. It's pretty loud. It's pretty windy actually. So I'm going to bring it over here and land it. So the beeping you hear is it actually detecting. It's actually detecting stuff in its way. This is an impressive drone. Absolutely incredible.